Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikate and in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove local files on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get started. On your device, launch Spotify and then make sure that you're logged in your account. After that, to go to your local file, tap on your library from the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on there, you will see this interface and in here, you will be able to see all your local files. Tap on local files and then you will see all the tracks that has been added to Spotify from your device. Now tap on three dot icon, but here we will not find any option that says remove. Now what we can do is go back to your home screen and then now go to your profile from the upper left corner of your screen. Now again tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and look for an option that says local file, and in here once you find local file, but before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now let's get back into the video. Now in this local file section, if you have turned on this toggle that says show audio file from device, then all your audio from device will be shown in your library as a local file. If you turn that toggle off, now go to your library again from the bottom of your screen, and in here you will not be able to see your local file. So this is how you can simply remove local file from your Spotify. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.